Hi guys, it's me Darcy and today is officially bonfire night. It's officially bonfire night, I'm so happy. I can't... They're going mad around here, you know.
Yeah, look at mine!
Ah, the old days, you know. That scared me. So I just wanted to show you a bit of things what we do in bonfire night. So we use coloured sparklers. Don't chuck it at me. Let's have one. Give us one. Give us a one. Oh no, I can't, can I? No, I'm gonna have to put it in fire. Not fire. Oh, I put it in fire. Put both of them in fire. And that one. Quick before it runs out. Oh God. I'm just so excited. Oh, I deleted all your pics. Me, are you excited?
Hey guys! Bye.
Oh, by the way, you do things to my body. I can't believe it's bonfire night. Look at that bonfire night. And listen to them beautiful fireworks. Beautiful. Oh, I thought I was going to make a big bang then. Oh, yeah, you've just ruined it, haven't you?
That is decent.
What's decent? What have you done now? Look at that.
Has he gone back inside?
What?
Has Quinn gone inside?
Yeah. I'm a Joe, by the way. He's the one who set all the fire. He's the one who set all the fireworks off. And I thought of everything to do it with. Look at that. Don't you just love it? It looks like I'm really close, but I'm not. I'm like 50 miles away. Thanks. Right, why are you using all leaves for, Joe? That's what makes it worse.
Yeah, that's good.
Now after it be something.
No, it doesn't need to look.
It does. Oh no, it's just gone off. I need you guys to see me, I just can't see. Alright, I've done it. Phew. Phew. So yeah. Oh my God, I'm like not even close to it. I've got a really bad back. My mum and dad don't let me near fires. They let me outside to see fireworks though. It's my parents. Oh God. So yeah, I'm just going to keep at Larry Joe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video.